Hey folks, Mark here, doing a review of the Naked Armor Beard Kit. I'm not one that grows a beard, or at least I don't these days, used to, but I'm looking to get this for my son. Naked Armor makes a very nice product, so I figured I'd take a look at it. First thing you'll note there, you got your Happy Sad card. I suspect you use the Happy part, as I have. They've got good support. Everything they make is high quality. You can order yourself some free soap. They donate 3% to a charity of your choice. I've used their soaps. It's very good for shaving. You've got your catalog. All kinds of great stuff in here. Extra foam, keep everything nice, neat. Start off with, you've got some of the Naked Armor soap. I've used this. I got it with their straight razor. The lather's really nice, smells good. Doesn't take a whole lot to make a really nice lather. So you got your soap there. You've got yourself a shavette that comes in the kit. Not sure if you haven't used one of these before, I suggest looking into it. That I use a straight razor myself, but you can use replaceable blades in these. Got a cutting guide here. It's got a comb on each side of it. Comb the hairs out, set your guide up the way you want your beard, go at it. As you can tell, I'm not an expert in that area, but I've seen people do that. Got a set of trimming shears packed in here nice and neat. You probably can't see the edge on it, but it's got a really nice sharp edge. So trim up your flyaways. Got yourself a wooden brush in here. Actually, it's in here very tightly, so I'm going to use the shears to get it out, or at least the edge of them. So your daily maintenance, comb the beard, probably you can comb your hair if you like. Then when you're all done, you've got a brush, nice wooden brush. You can probably use that to take the beard oil that comes in the kit, put a little on, brush it in, brush away any flyaways, get a nice clean look. But as you can see, this is all packaged really nice and neat in here. Everything will stay put during shipping. It's a nice way to just keep things, nice and handy and tidy. So there we go. Naked Armor Beard Kit. Put this back together. We're going to package it up. Give it to my son, who's got a nice thick beard. See how he enjoys it. I tell you, if I were to have one, I'd be happy with it. But for now, I'll just do the clean shaven thing. Thank you. Have a nice day.